Hi, here's a fast way to tie the bowline. You might have heard of the tugboat bowline, which is a good knot to learn if you want to tie a non-slip knot in a second or two. But if you want to tie the bowline without having to do this, you make the loop and you have the snake or the rabbit go through the hole, around the tree, and back through the hole. Okay, if you don't want to do that and want to do it more faster, then this is the tutorial for that. So this is to demonstrate how it would look like. Okay, fast way to tie the bowline. My grandfather served in the United States Navy, and he would have a race with other sailors of who could tie the bowline the fastest, and that's how I came to know about this. So I will endeavor to teach it and to you. Real quickly, there's two parts of the rope that you need to know. I'm going to use the right side here to build the bowline, therefore it's called the working end, or the working part, and this part in my left hand is called the standing part. So some of the parts, or the steps, have multiple parts because you're doing different things with both your hands. The first step would be to use the working end to cross over the standing part, like so, and I would have the index finger like this so that you could use it to make turns like that. Okay, so that's the first step, to do that, and then you're going to use the index finger to turn around the standing part, and as you do that, so that would be half the step. To do that, you're going to use your left hand to make a twist and go like that. So again, real quick, you use the working end in your right hand, cross over the standing part, use your index finger to turn round the standing part, and you could actually use your right hand to also make the twist as well, like that. And then grab onto the loop with your index and your thumb in your left hand, and then you're going to use your thumb and take the working end around the standing part and back through the loop and pull in both directions, and that is a fast way to tie the bowline. So again, how it looks like if you tie it fast would be something like this, and it does take practice, maybe multiple times watching this. Right now I may not be the best teacher in the world for this specifically, and it, again, with any knot, it just takes practice and perseverance and just never giving up on knot tying. So thank you for listening and have a great day.